So for this step, we're going to start inputting some information into our table. Let's imagine that we're creating a first video, and now you can see how this flow will start to take shape. So we're going to want to go over to the new button here and click the arrow. I'm going to start with this template. If you click new, we'll just start with a blank page. If you click this arrow, it'll bring up our template. We want to start with a new video template. I'm going to call this our first video. We're going to want to publish this in 2 weeks, October the 4th. The sponsor is going to be MakerPad. Status is, we haven't actually created any statuses, but you may want to add in some. So this is kind of idea stage. You can obviously put editing, whatever, any statuses that you use as a YouTuber. Tags, this is going to be a informational video. Create that. It's going to be a tutorial. Link, we don't have one of them yet. Video number 1, however you want to store videos. If you want to change the format of this number as well, go over here and you can change it, but just going to go with 1. Okay, now we've got a place that we can start filling in some information. So title ideas. This now gives us a drop down, so we can store our title ideas under a nice toggle. If you want to put a list, you can. Idea 1, idea 2, you get the idea. Keywords, again, go to a list, keyword, keyword 1, etc. Sponsor information, this could be sponsor name, URL, any other info, or maybe you can have like point of contact. Cool. Editing checklist. We'll go into there and we'll create a editing checklist for whatever you want to do. This could could be anything, just some ideas. You could break this down further if you want, but it could be something like add footage to Premiere. It could be cut footage. It could be obviously way more specific. Get all footage needed for first cut. You get the idea. You can break this down further into the different stages that you're at with the video. Then publishing checklist, not going to do that, but same again. Once you've gone through editing, you probably create some stuff in the publishing checklist as well. Again, research and notes, just a place that you can put your research into your video, stores it nicely in there. You can add